Did you know that you can sell internet traffic as a means of earning as well? Sell internet traffic allows website owners with high traffic to earn on a quiet basis. So what does selling internet traffic mean? Selling internet traffic helps you earn money quietly by placing ads on your website in different formats. The more clicks to the advertising site, the more revenue the owner received. It is an effective way of earning easy money. The only condition for it is that your website should have a lot of traffic. Here is the top secret way to generate traffic to sell. Our paid and free traffic bots generator create organic traffic for your website to sell. Shhhh. Don't tell this to anyone. All you need to do is use the right location proxies before generating traffic. Now presenting you with many ways that you can use to sell web traffic. 1. Direct contact with marketers and advertisers. 2. Contextual marketing, preferred network, Google Adsense. 3. Propose outbound links. 4. Teaser advertisement. 5. Develop affiliate advertising networks. 6. Banner advertisement. 7. CPA Networks. 8. YouTube. Why it is good for you. You don't need to make an initial investment. You can earn from clicks, finished activities and impacts. The higher the traffic, the more the profit. A win-win strategy for you.